Once upon a time, in a forest not too far away, there lived a little bear who loved the warmth of the campfire. Now, this little bear was no ordinary bear. Oh no. This bear had a heart as big as the moon and a curiosity that knew no bounds. But most of all, this bear loved the warmth of the campfire. Every evening when the sun would set and the temperature would drop, this little bear would come out of his cave and start searching for a campfire. He would sniff around the tents of the campers, looking for a place where he could sneak in and get some warmth. The campers, of course, would be terrified to see a bear sniffing around their camp, and they would do anything they could to scare him away. But our little bear was persistent, and no matter how many times he got chased away, he would always come back for more. One day, a wise old owl noticed this little bear trying to sneak into a campsite, and being the wise creature that he was, the owl decided to take matters into his own paws. He flew down from his tree and said to the bear, "Why do you want to be around these campfires so badly?" The bear looked up at the owl and said, "I don't know. I just love the way they make me feel warm and cozy inside." The owl nodded his head and said, "I think I can help you with that." The owl led the bear to a clearing where there was a huge log burning brightly. The bear was in heaven. He rolled around in the dirt and leaves to make himself comfortable and started to doze off. The owl sat down on a nearby branch and said, "This is your new campfire, little bear, and you can stay here as long as you like." The bear looked up at the owl and said, "But what about the other bears? Won't they be scared if they see me with a campfire all to myself?" The owl smiled and said, "No, they won't. Because this fire is not just for you, little bear. It's for all the forest animals to enjoy." From that day on, the forest animals would all gather around the campfire in the clearing. They would roast marshmallows and tell stories and sing songs, and our little bear was the happiest bear of them all, because he loved the warmth of the campfire. Now, I don't know about you, but that story really makes me want to go camping. How about you? Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this story. Please be sure to subscribe, because together we can explore the wonderful world of children's literature and make learning fun for everyone.